Then go and find him. I'll stay here and fix the balloon.
Good idea, Phuddle. No time to lose. Let's go.
I'm telling you, Lucida, I could have sworn I saw the royal balloon.
Let's concentrate on our little friend here.
This dew is infused with unicorn tears. You'll be flying again in no time.
A friendship butterfly. It's Mia's.
You see? It wasn't my imagination. I did see the royal balloon up in that storm. Our friends are here.
Well, you gotta find them.
Take me back to Mia. Huh? Poor guy's absolutely exhausted.
He came a long way.
I'm sorry. Rest. I need my friendship ring to find them. It was right here. I just had it. Has anybody... Have you, by any chance, seen it?
I'm not gonna let you wreck the place looking.
That'll snuff. Hey, these might fit. Huh. Oh. Just a unicorn, so tiny. Adorable. Hey, little guy, aren't you a cutie wootie? Not cutie wootie. Help!
The only thing more annoying than these bugs is the rumbling from Mo's stomach.
Hey, I'm hungry, okay? Oh, that's awful.
Guess we should have brought a royal food taster with us.
Hey guys, concentrate. We're here to find Simo. He'll have food for us, once we figure out where he is.
Yeah, but without our friendship rings, we have no clue where to start looking.
If Mia's butterfly made it through the storm, Simo will use his friendship ring to find us. I hope.